Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make samosa wraps. So we will start with our flour. Our flour is 2 cups, and then our mixed spices, and then here is paprika, cayenne, and dry parsley, and we mix it together. And then our hot water, and then mix it together. And then guys, you must make sure your hands are clean. Put a little bit of warm water again. And then when your dough is right, we're gonna leave it for 5 minutes, and then close it with a clean cloth. And then leave it for 5 minutes. So after leaving our dough to rest for 5 minutes, put a bit of flour, so we put flour so that it mustn't stick. And then we cut it. We cut it into 4 pieces, or maybe we can make it 5, because I don't want big samosas. This one I think is okay. So guys, I make 6 pieces of dough. So now we are starting to roll it. We are rolling it. And look for a plate. Put some flour in it. We are rolling, rolling, rolling. And put a little bit of flour. Now we start to roll. So when you are done with this one, you put it away. You put a little bit of flour so that it doesn't stick. Make sure you have a bigger space. And you roll another one. Just keep rolling, guys, until you finish all 6 balls. So after rolling all 6 of the nice, we put in oil. And put that bit of flour. And put another one on top. Oil. And another flour. So guys, after doing everything, then there, now put a little bit of flour. And roll it. And roll it. So now, guys, in the next part, we are going to put it in a tray and put it in the oven for 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, our wrappers are ready. So now, guys, we finished to separate our wrappers. As you can see, guys, they are not in the same size. Some are long, some are short. So now we are going to use a plate and cut. So now, guys, we are going to cut it into 4 quarters. So yeah, guys, we finished to cut our samosa wrappers. So it's something like this, guys. So because my video is too long, I will upload a video of how. So yeah, guys, after cutting my samosa wrappers, they are ready to be used, and you can store them for 3 months. or you can just put them safe and store for 3 months, guys. So yeah, guys, so next time I will show you how I make my samosas with this, guys. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please, 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 guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.